Hello, it's Amy again. So this is Trello part 3. This one is going to cover how to import contact names, and it's going to cover how to package track. Okay, because I think those are really two things that you could use. So when you're on your workstation, you can download files. You can download your list of your team names, for example. If you go to reporting, then it will show my team. And then I selected team account status. So, and for privacy purposes, I try to shrink it. I have a small team, yes, but that's okay. Don't worry about it. So you can export. It will save it as an Excel document or CSV document. You can also go to your contacts and you can download a file from there. See, it says export to Excel. I have removed my customer columns so you don't see anything. If you need to change your columns for any reason, you go to choose columns and you can adjust what information you want to put on your download. Okay. You can do those. You can also do your sales reports. This will show you your recent order history so you can download it as an Excel. You can always go to your order history tab, but this one will give you the Excel document to make life a lot easier. It'll tell you the order date. It'll tell you everything in that customer's order. If they ordered bars, if they got a 6-pack, it'll tell you every single bar in their 6-pack. So, but anyways, really utilize your workstation and get that Excel download. Okay, it will download to your computer. If you don't have Excel, I use Google Drive. Google Drive can take any Excel document or CSV document, and you can import it. So I just grabbed some random names. So that would be, go to my drive, and you click the plus button, and you tell it to file upload. Okay, it's going to show up as Google Sheets. So this was random names off the internet. It's the top 20 baby names, 10 boys, 10 girls. So anyways, I'm going to copy paste all the names here, select all, right click, and copy. We're going to pretend that these are my customer names. Okay. And then I'm going to take my list that I've now copied, and we're going to go to one of your columns. So this is my customer names board. I want to have some place where I have access to their names all together. I don't care about when their last purchase date was. It's going to be alphabetical. I can put their contact information in. I can put their order history in. I can put any notes I have. If I've had discussions with them, I can do my follow-ups here with my little checklists. But this would be my master list of my contacts. So you go to one of your columns and select add a card, and you're going to paste the entire list. And now they're on individual lines. Okay. Once you click add, it will ask if you want a new card for every line. Yes, please. So now I have an entire list. Okay. There is a way to sort your list. Sort by card name, which will make it really easy if you're doing an alphabetical list. Okay. This one is mine, and this was my recent order. You'll notice that I have shipments here. And you're like, Amy, how did you do that? Okay. It also has my checklist. Just a second, I've got a phone call. Excuse me. Okay, sorry for the phone call. So we were talking about package tracking, and I really like this. It's called a power-up. You can get a lot of different power-ups through Trello. Some of them are free and some of them are paid, so just be careful. Don't get it too attached if they say you only have 10-day trials, right? Okay, so I'm going to disable this for now. So give me a minute so I can show you how to set it up, because that's what you need to know. If you go to your little menu, the 3 dots in the corner, you go down to power ups. and it'll bring up a screen. So right now it shows I need to click on enabled. I have one enabled for this board. Your power-ups are only enabled for one board. If you want it on other boards, you have to attach them to each board. So settings and disable. Okay. So now I can go in the same way, power-ups from your menu. There's also a cheat button at the top that says power-ups. And you can also do it from your card while you're right in here working. Okay. Oh, here we go. Okay. Okay. So go to add power-up and you'll get that list again. And I'm going to search for package tracker. Click on add. And that's it. Oh, let me close the menu. Now that I'm back in my card for myself, it says track package. Now, I'm going to use a recent order of mine. It was shipped through FedEx. And then I have to get my tracking number. Give me just a second, please. I copy pasted my tracking number from the workstation. Okay. So this is really good whenever, this is good when you get a notice, oh, it's printed. Check the next day, and it normally will say shipped and give you a tracking number. And this package was my friend's one. I'm gonna click track, and it shows all the tracking from when it got picked up and when it was in transit. It tells you all the cities it went through and when it was finally delivered. Okay. And if I click on that, ta-da, it will show me there. Okay. You can also copy paste the tracking link onto FedEx's website, of course. One other thing that you might see people doing, this is my receipt, okay? This is with Microsoft Edge. I can copy the screen. So you can copy it, you do a screenshot from your phone. I'm gonna copy. Or if you're on Microsoft Edge, it'll say web capture right there. And then I can come in here and I can paste it in the description part. And now I have a picture. And that way I don't have to like copy paste the entire order. Although you can copy paste the order. Let me pull that up. That one. Okay. So I can like copy paste it this way, the important parts of the bars, right? But if I do it that way, watch, it will copy everything. And so I have to go in and delete. I don't care how much PRV. I know the quantity, right? I can delete the image. So that's one way to do it. It says the warmer, it doesn't even have the bar in there. So check it out. Be careful when you do copy paste. That way, throw that one away. But that way I can see it and it has a little picture. You can also, if you are on your receipt, you can also go to print receipt at the bottom and do a screenshot that way. If they have a really big order, you know. Don't pay attention to that. Okay. So I love package tracker, and I love being able to do a massive list of names at once. And I already showed you how to make that alphabetical. Now you'll notice since I added a photo, it put it at the top. And I don't really want to see my customer order at the top of every single person. So you go to cover. You can select a solid color. You could select, you can upload any picture you want or check for one that they already have here. And you can choose if your cover is a big one or if it's got words to it. So if you notice over here on the left, how it will appear, the difference. It doesn't give you details on this one, but on this one, you can see the little notes underneath. So those are the two big ones. If you have any questions on those, please let me know. I really like those features. Alrighty. Bye.